What if I told you that the secret to getting amazing grades, working out every single day, and transforming your life is something that you can simply achieve in less than 30 minutes a day? I know, it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. And I would know because I also used to be in a pretty bad position. I had these goals and aspirations. My brain was literally broken, and I couldn't go more than 30 seconds without opening up Instagram. I don't want that for you. I want you to reach your true potential. And I wasn't lying. If you follow these habits that I'm about to share with you, you can literally transform your brain to become that student, that friend, that person that you have always wanted to be. The first thing you need to do is to become comfortable with nothing. But what do I mean by this? What I mean by this is that you need to do activities that will literally rewire your brain to become comfortable with just your own thoughts and will also literally boost your brain power. For example, go outside and go on a walk for just 10 minutes a day without your phone. Now, it might seem like a long time in the moment, but think about it this way. What's better for your brain, watching 10 one-minute TikTok videos or spending 10 minutes moving your body and reinvigorating your mind? When you think about it this way, you'll realize how obvious the choice is. Another thing that I've been doing is just meditating for 10 minutes a day. Meditation is great for calming your mind and for reducing your stress. And despite all of the stereotypes associated with meditation, it really is good for clearing your mind. One more thing I hear a lot is taking cold showers. And although I'm not a huge fan of them, they are really good for clearing your head and boosting your focus, so you do what works for you. The next step in transforming your brain is to replace your dopamine stimulating action. Now, instead of doing actions like scrolling on your phone or passively watching videos, this means doing mind stimulating actions like reading and writing. Now, these are all creative processes that force you to visualize things rather than having the pixels of Subway Surfers and Family Guy blast into your face. This can also look like crocheting, learning a new language, and designing your own artwork. The point of these things is to reteach your brain to get dopamine from things that you do yourself and to find enjoyment in the creative process. But the most important thing you need to do is to schedule these hobbies and activities into your daily routine. This way, your brain internalizes that there are just certain parts of the day that you dedicate to pursuing these activities. And this will help you to stay accountable and to find joy in the process. The third thing you need to do is to connect with real voices. This means getting away from the fake voices that come out of your screen and make you feel like you're engaging with someone when you're really not. What's super important is just finding the time to talk to your friends and the people you really care about. Simply being with other people and absorbing their stories and truly being present in the conversation is all I really need. And that's the goal, being present in the moment and in your own life and just appreciating what's already in front of you. And if you're out there thinking that you just have no one to talk to, it's a surprisingly simple fix. If you're a student, simply joining a sport or a club at your school is literally a cheat code for finding friends and making new connections. Volunteering in your local community is also a really great way to feel good about your actions and make connections with others in the process. Heck, even getting a part-time job can be another great way to get genuine social interaction and get some of that cash while you're at it. Regardless of what you choose to do, we as humans are social creatures, and there are so many ways to find like-minded individuals and make genuine connections that can last you for a lifetime if you're just willing to go out there and look for it. The fourth thing to do to reset your brain is to show gratitude. Now, I want you to be honest with yourself. When was the last time that you told a family member that you genuinely love them, or told your friend how much you appreciate their friendship? Chances are you probably can't remember. In today's society, it's not super common to go out and express our genuine gratitude because it's seen as embarrassing or needy. But let me tell you this, watching your friends and family light up when you genuinely tell them how much you care for them is infinitely more dopamine stimulating than anything your phone could ever give you. Trust me, it works. And showing your gratitude is one of the best things that you can do for your well-being and help you become happy in a much more natural way. The last thing that I need you to do is to acknowledge your own worth. I know I just said to look for interaction outside of a screen, but for just this moment, I'm talking to you directly. You are a person who is worth so much and deserves much more than you give yourself credit for. And your time is so valuable. So don't go wasting it looking at your phone and not living in the present moment. You have the potential to chase your dreams, to cultivate your mind and body, and be the person you know you can be. And this is your sign to get off your butt and go do something about it. I was able to do that for myself, and I know you can too. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this one. As always, if this video helped you out and you got lots of value from it, subscribing is always appreciated. But for now, go out there and fix your brain, and I'll see you in the next one.